Trump breaking news today. Bully Judge Kaplan is the target of Donald Trump's wrath in his most recent defamation civil action, in which writer Jean Carroll sought payment of over $83 million from the former president. Donald Trump resorted to attacking the judge who presided over the case. In a post on Truth Social, Trump detailed his plans to appeal the sentence that a New York jury recently handed down to him, and he accused Judge Lewis Kaplan of being a bully in the process, while Trump denied sexually assaulting Carroll at a Bergdorf Goodman store in the 1990s. Judge Kaplan found in 2019 that Trump had defamed Carroll. The former Elle columnist was fined $83.3 million for punitive damages and compensatory damages after a civil trial. Trump was compelled to pay the full amount. Trump has hinted that he is seeking a fresh team of attorneys to assist him in his appeal. "I am in the process, along with my team, of interviewing various law firms to represent me in an appeal of one of the most ridiculous and unfair witch hunts our country has ever seen," the defamation sham presided over by a Clinton-appointed, highly partisan, Trump-hating judge, Lewis Kaplan, who was, together with certain other radical left Democrat judges, one of the most partisan and out-of-control activists that I have ever appeared before, tweeted Trump.asa bully. He insisted on 2 trials instead of 1, denied me due process, barred me from presenting crucial evidence, there was a lot, and let me stand as a witness for only a few minutes before directing my lawyer's questions and instructing me to give one-word answers, all while his friends and wife cheered from behind a cordoned-off front row. The entire hoax brings shame on the American justice system. A true American patriot or a crazy lawyer would accept a case involving Trump. The president also promised that he will make a speedy decision. Throughout the civil defamation lawsuit, Trump repeatedly attacked Judge Kaplan. There was no gag order preventing the ex-president from openly criticizing the judge while the case was underway. Alina Habba, an attorney for Trump, recently made an effort to cast doubt on the judge's impartiality by bringing up the fact that he had worked with Carroll's lawyer Roberta Kaplan, no relation, in the early 1990s while they were both practicing law. According to Habba's motion, which was based on a New York Post piece, Kaplan supposedly saw the 1994 elected judge as a mentor. Experts in the field of law largely agreed that the conflict of interest argument was without substance. In response, Kaplan called the claims utterly baseless in court documents. After Kaplan hinted that she might seek to sue Habba for the false allegations, Habba withdrew her support. Habba informed Judge Kaplan that she was not making the accusations herself and that her motion was simply to inquire about the veracity of the allegations made by the New York Post. Separately, in May 2023, a jury found in favor of Carroll in her defamation and sexual battery lawsuit against Trump, and they ordered the ex-president to pay over $5 million in damages. That verdict is also being appealed by Trump. It is absolutely ridiculous that Trump has lost both of Carroll's defamation lawsuits, according to a recent statement by Trump, who will be challenging this entire Biden-directed witch hunt that has been focused on the Republican Party and me because I completely disagree with both rulings. The abuse of power inside our legal system has gotten out of hand. Their actions have effectively curtailed the right to free speech. Trump complained that this was not America. Trump breaking news today.